People in general do not feel connected with each other. They neither feel connected to their spouses, their children, nor to their parents. They are alienated from nature and God and the world around them. Loneliness, meaninglessness, and the hollowness are a result of this state of affairs. To escape this misery, you have created all kinds of work, pleasure, and other forms of suffering. You are a stranger even unto yourself. As you awaken to yourself, you would awaken to the joys of relationship. It is like a blind man awakening to the world of color. You would realize that life, in fact, is relationships. Discovering love in relationship is the best form of stress management, is the greatest medicine for all ills and a solution for most problems. At this juncture, the dawn of a new civilization, which we might call an age of oneness, is the single most explosive fact of our lifetime. We have a destiny to create, a state of consciousness that is oneness with all that is. If you attain to this oneness with your spouse, you would attain the same with God, since loving God is no different from loving one's spouse, child, parent, or even oneself. As a consequence of this inner state of man, changes would occur in the external world, which would bring about what we call the Golden Age. The Oneness Age and the Golden Age are complementary to each other. The Oneness Age represents what is going to happen inside, and the Golden Age what is going to happen outside. The advent of the Golden Age would see a world where there are no national boundaries, where all mankind becomes one family. People would not suffer from a sense of want. It is not prosperity for one country or the other, but for the whole of mankind. It is neither capitalism, nor communism, nor socialism, nor radical humanism that would save the day for us. What we would see is an entirely different world where there is no competition but only cooperation. It would be one humanity, and each one of us, let us remember, has a role in creating this destiny for man, that is, for ourselves.